In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a KPI card visual like this in Power BI without using any custom visual, even without using any card visual. So this is just an image which you can scale up or down and it will work perfectly. So if I want to use it like a small card, I can make it small and use it somewhere like this. Or if you want to use it as a proper visual, you can do that as well. So this is a banner style KPI card. This is basically the sales breakdown. So here we have total sales, which is 42.8 million. And then we have this year over year increase or decrease. And it has the green background and the green font, which is going to change dynamically. If it becomes negative, it will become red. Then we have a target. Our target was $47.2 million. So it is behind our target. So that's why the variance is 9.4% below and it is showing in red color. It will show in green if it is positive. We are also showing the last year sales, which is $22.1 million. And in the right, we are showing the progress in a donut style chart. And it is showing we have achieved 91% of the target. So I'm going to show you how you can create these kind of SVG KPI card, which you can create easily by just copy pasting and adding your measures. Let's see what all measures we require. So obviously we want the sales and the target. So you should have a target to create this KPI. So we have the sales data and target data in a separate table. And then we have date table, which is connecting with the dates of these sales and targets. And then we have some measures called core measures and this SVG KPI cards. So basically this SVG KPI card is only having one measure, which is creating this visual. And then we have this core measures. In this core measure, we are having total profit, total sales, and total targets. For this KPI, we just require total sales and total target. Or if you want to show profit KPI like this, you need profit and target measures. And then we'll see what we have here in SVG KPI card measure. So in this measure, I have nicely commented so that you can understand what's happening inside this measure. This is the measure configuration part where you can add your measures like other KPIs. So if you want to show profit instead of sales, you can just change it here. Let's understand the measure. Here we have this measure configuration. So this you can change. Then we have card size. In my point of view, you don't require to change these because our banner card is designed in a perfect ratio. So if you change this, you'll have to change the other things as well, which might create some issues. We have this font size for different values like label, value, pill size, pill text, badge, ring percentage, and all other text. We have these. If you want, you can obviously change these values. Then we have these colors. Color success is indigo color, the blue colors that you can see here. So this is the indigo color. And we have a logic like if the percentage to the target is less than 75%, then make it red. And if it is between 75 to 99%, it will be indigo colored. And if it becomes 100%, then it will become green. That means we have achieved the target. So we have designed something like that. So that's why we have color success, color danger, which is red, and other colors. So then we have padding zone A, zone B, zone C. So basically it's divided into 3 zones, 1, 2, and 3. And it's setting the padding and size. If you go down, you will see this calculation engine. So this calculation engine, it's having all the calculations of the measured, it's calculating the variance, percentages, and the progress. Here we have a logic like if we don't have targets, so suppose the target is blank or 0, in that case, it will divide the sales by the last year and it will not divide by the sales by target because we don't have the target. So we have this fallback here. If you don't want, you can just simply remove that from here. So stick to the target. So we can do that as well from here. And this progress is just setting limit to just be 0 to 100% and not exceed that. And then we have these ring fills and ring color. So here if you see this ring color, which I was talking about, if the progress is greater than 1, that is 100% or equal to 100%, it will show the color success, which is green color. And if progress is greater than 75%, it will show color accent, which is indigo color, and else it will show color danger, which is red color. Then it's handling the unit format like thousands and millions. And then comes our SVG, which is creating that image. We have this variable for SVG. All the variables are fed in this SVG and it's creating that KPI image. And finally, it's returning that KPI image. So if you want this Power BI file, I will give it in the description and in the comment below. So you can get it from there. change the data category of this measure. Go to the measure tools, and from here you can see this data category, and it should be image URL. So once you have set up this, how you can use this measure? In the build pane, you will see there is one image visualization. You can take that, and once you've taken that, it says select image in the format pane under style. So let's go to the format pane, and let's close this build pane. In the format image, you can go to the style, and here you can go to the image, and image source you can either upload, enter URL, or select from data. So we have a measure, so we'll select from data. Here it's asking to add the data. So we have this KPI, we can drag here, and our image is ready. So that's it. Now you can just scale it up and down however you like it. Let me show you by changing it to profit. This target is sales target. We don't have profit target in this data set. I will just show you by putting the profit and comparing with the sales target. So let's go to this measure, and here we'll just click on this sales, and we'll Control Shift L so that it will select all the sales, and then we'll say profit and click on enter. So if you see here now, it says the profit is 6.5 million and year over year is 93.9%, and we have this variance 86.3%, and the attainment has become 14%. That's why it has become red, because below 75% it will become red. So this is how we can use this SVG measure. If you want this file, I'm going to provide this in the description of my video and in the comments below. If you need my help and want to connect one-on-one with me, you can book a call on TopMate. And if you want to buy Power BI reports along with dataset and BRD document, you can check out the products I have here. I have provided the links in the description. See you there. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.